Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Saturday night and I decided to dig this old controller out. I had to do a bit of soldering on the amps meter on the left because the crappy old solder had basically come off. So the good news is I actually managed to get it working, and I'll just show you that in the video, but this hopefully will be appearing in another video when there's more wind, which isn't today. Sweet. Yo guys, what's up? It's Saturday night and I'd kind of forgotten about this thing, but managed to get it working again. I'm just going to put a torch in there. It's not very windy. Okay. I don't know if we'll be able to see what's going on. It's a bit too... Oh, trying to make it so you can see the meter when it's making some juice. And let's just put the light back on a minute. Yes, we'll see if it makes some juice, and then I'll be able to demonstrate to you what I'm talking about. I don't know if you remember that this seemed to be greatly exaggerating the ampage. I don't know if you remember, the guy at the time had told me that he'd seen it hit over 30 amps, but this controller seems to be overreading it, even though it's saying nothing now. It's because there's hardly any wind, but we can see that's 1 amp on the meter. So I'm just going to move the camera a sec. Yeah, so I've got this thing. This is connected from the controller to the battery bank. So the side that says source is connected to the back of this controller, and then the side that says load is connected to the battery bank, which is 24 volts. So I'm just hoping we get a whiff of wind so I can show you what I mean about the device being slightly out of range, so to speak. There you go. Using the controller means we have no use at the moment for the rectifier. You can see where I've cut the wires that were coming in from the turbine. To integrate the meter into the front here somewhere of this, I might even make a new box for it because it's a bit, you know, grey plastic tat if I'm honest. Let's just go down to the amp meter again. So it's making 0. But yeah, so that was just a quickie to let you know that this thing has been re-entered into the world, and it's not so crap after all. It doesn't have a light inside here, so that's one thing I should do. Then it just looks better lit up from the back. There's the dump load, which hasn't even threatened to come on because, as you can see, there's not much coming in. So that's saying 1.5 on the meter, but it went up to sort of 3. There's not enough wind to sort of start sticking 26, 27 volts in there. Sitting here holding a torch. But anyway, so the charge controller, basically it lives, and that will definitely be appearing in another video when we get some wind. Peace.